Hello and welcome back to another video. So one of the questions I received is about when a book has lots of different ideas together, putting those into single idea notes, which is the Zettelkasten way of doing things, is flawed in a sense that no book is just one idea. There's lots of interconnected ideas. So as you start creating new notes, do you end up having to pull in all that foundational knowledge back in just so it makes sense? And I think that's an interesting perspective on the Zettelkasten method, because absolutely books, they generally are a collection of ideas that come together that forms some kind of overall insight. And to only capture just the insight but not those foundational parts is missing out, essentially. For example, I love the book Mindset by Carol Dweck, where lots of studies and lots of perspectives and situations that form a growth mindset versus a fixed mindset come at it from different places and bring it up into one kind of core concept of growth and fixed mindset. To just talk about the growth and fixed mindset would be naive to the understanding that got there. So what do? Do you start pulling in more and more information into your notes so that it becomes coherent? And where I come to think of here is, well, when do you stop? Do you start pulling on that thread until it goes and goes and goes? And that's actually the wrong way of thinking about the Zettelkasten, is because the concept is each note is one idea, but the value and that power is the relationships between the notes. So if I'm talking about growth and fixed mindset, I can write it as though we have that pre-understanding of what it means, but I can link to the notes that back up that understanding so that I can follow the path through until it makes more sense. And the way to think about this is Lego. When I build something with Lego, I only do it from individual bricks. I don't do it from compositions of bricks. So I can deconstruct the whole thing into just their one atomic bricks. The different shapes and the different colors are the different ideas that they convey, and then I can assemble anything that I want based out of that. Absolutely true. When you read a book, they're not just one idea that's throughout the entire thing. There's lots of ideas coming together, which means you have lots of notes, but you can link them together. You don't have to repeat the information. You don't have to go over old ground. You just link them together, and then you build up your map of understanding in that way. So I hope this video has been helpful. If you want to learn more about the Zettelkasten method, other note-taking methods, productivity, and join in the journey of me building my own note-taking app, then do consider subscribing. And if you do want to check out the app that I'm building, which is called Flowtelic, to help you study, learn, think, write, and publish with maximum efficiency and consistency. The idea here is that I can use the app to create content using these methods consistently and of a high value. So if that's of interest to you to see what that's like, then head over to join.flowtelic.com, where you'll get instant access to the very early beta that's going on at the moment, but I'll also give email updates of what's happening with the app development. And as always, if you did like this video, then do consider giving it a like, and catch you in the next one.